Yo guys, and welcome back by this new video here on the channel. On today's video I will be discussing the real quick bounce that Bitcoin is currently taking, and I will be discussing all the important points that you should be looking at. As well, I will be going over the 1 hourly candles, discussing what is very likely for Bitcoin to happen next year. I will be talking about the trade that I opened earlier today here, exactly on the bottom of this move here, and we catch the exact move here towards the upside like discussed earlier today. As well, I will be going over Ethereum and the reasons why it is right now, of course, pumping towards the upside, and I will be discussing all the key levels that you should be paying attention towards right now on the Ethereum price action. So if this sounds interesting for you, make sure to right away smash up that like button. And as well, guys, since this is the second upload of today, and since you guys are massively smashing up the likes here on my Twitter page here, on the question that I was asking you guys, should I make another update video, I was right away starting to recording, and it will be amazing if you can maybe reach the 400 likes on this video once again here. So with this out of the way, let me start right away this video off with discussing the Bitcoin price predictions and price analysis. So let's go right away in towards it. So like discussed earlier today, we were setting up this Fibonacci, and this Fibonacci was suggesting that the 37.5k was a very strong accumulation zone for Bitcoin, because of course this is the golden pocket entry, and the golden pocket entry is always showing us a very strong amount of support, and we can clearly see it if we're zooming in here on this chart that we were just about to touch it, but we of course made it before, and right now on the exact time of recording, we of course are moving up very quickly here. And of course earlier today we were trading literally here on 37.6k. We were just having this bounce towards the upside, and I was saying to everyone here as well on my Twitter page, like you can see over here, I accumulated a new position over here, and Bitcoin retraced back towards our golden pocket entry price here. And in the earlier today uploaded video, I was discussing that I was accumulating my trade here. So right now I'm approximately $3,000 in profit here, with of course 41% profit on the trade already. The stop loss is already in profit, and it's not updated yet here, so I'm reloading the page real quickly, and you can see it over here. Stop loss and take profit is already set here. Take profit about to get hit here. 39.4k is my target to of course get out of this trade here. I could be potentially even ride this trade towards higher levels, but I'm not doing so, and the reason will be coming out right now here. Since of course, guys, I do want to be raising the awareness. The prices are moving up here. It is I can become very greedy here and of course trade this trade even further towards the upside, or I could just be glad here and take this approximately 0.07 BTC here just to add to my holding position, since of course all my gains I'm making with trading, I'm putting them away here and locking them in, securing my profits. And you could be doing the same here, and you can be right now as well here signing up with the link in the description here. If you're signing up with Bybit, you are getting an $1,800 approximately $1,800 deposit bonus here if you're using my link in the description. And I already explained it earlier today here, you could be depositing some funds here on your Bybit account, withdraw these funds, and you have some free trading bonus that you could be trading with, and of course make some good gains like we are doing so. And of course I will be giving more calls in the future here, and I will be for sure doing so if I'm seeing the opportunity. But if there's now an opportunity for a trade, I will be most certainly not calling it as well here. But right now, the reason why I'm taking profits around the 39.4k here, it's a little bit earlier than, of course, the exact resistance line here on the top side, but I will be already taking profits over there, since usually we are finding very strong resistance if we are of course trading below the 0.236 here. That's the other Fibonacci resistance target, and you can see it clearly over here as well here. Let me go to the 4 hourly candles and let me look in towards this, and I think it's a very good time to take some profits over here, since of course previously providing a support after that resistance, after that it was providing a support, and right now we're heading towards this level, coming together with the 0.236 here in the Fibonacci, coming together with this previous support and resistance. I think it's a very good time to take some profits around that level here, and that's the reason why I'm going to do so, and will not become too greedy. So after that, we could be for sure even look for higher prices, and that's the thing that we'll be discussing in a second here. But I do at least expect some resistance to get found here, maybe a retracement back towards the halfway point, after that moving up here. But for me, I will be taking profits. I'm good for today here, and I will be looking at the next trading opportunity here. So what are we right now seeing here on the 1 hourly candle, since Of course, the 4-hourly Fibonacci, we already explained that here, but what could we be expecting for Bitcoin right now on the 1-hourly candle? So yeah, Bitcoin, of course, we already saw this move coming, like earlier today discussed here. We broke out here of the parallel channel. So we broke out of the downward trend that we created here on the 1-hourly candles. And we are right now looking for, of course, a new higher high, higher low structure. So that is, of course, pretty good here. We were already seeing in the MACD that we were forming higher lows each and every time here, and together with lower lows in the price action, signifying that the sellers were getting pretty exhausted right now in the market. And that was the main reason why Bitcoin was moving up from there on as well. RSI was giving us some bullish divergence as well here, but right now, since breaking the downtrend, I do expect, of course, to see Bitcoin maybe climb back once again with an upward sloping structure towards higher levels once again here. And the reason why I'm trading, closing my trade here is because I'm not building up a swing trade position over here, since I don't think it's a good place to accumulate the swing trade position, but it was a good place to, of course, accumulate this minor move position towards the upside. So yeah, looking for the next opportunity right now here, and I can't wait to see how we are going to approach it. And let me know as well in the comment section if you took this trade here, because that will be absolutely amazing here, because I'm loving to see the community gain here. So yeah, Bitcoin is looking for an upward structure right now from here on, since we broke, of course, the downtrend here. So let me as well look at the email ribbon real quickly here, since I think, let me enable this real quickly, since I do think here that we as well, of course, we broke through the email ribbon on the 1-hourly towards the downside. And like I told you everyone before, always once we're trading above the email ribbon, we are looking for a healthy uptrend, and once we're trading below it, we're looking for a downtrend. And right now, since we, of course, once again broke above it, we already closed 1-hourly candle above it, we could be retracing towards this level and retest it once again as support. So I'm really looking forward towards it, and I definitely think the opportunities are going to run sky high once again for Bitcoin. It's just a matter of time, and then we are going to see, of course, Bitcoin setting new all-time highs in my opinion. But then let me go over real quickly into Ethereum, since I've not been discussing Ethereum that many here recently, but personally I've been trading and accumulating Ethereum quite a lot here. But right now I'm in a very hectic situation and I don't have a lot of time right now, so that's the reason why there are a little bit of less videos. But next week I am home once again here, and I will be crushing out the most amount of videos, live streams all together, and I will be trying to do 2 videos and 1 live stream every single day here. So that's a thing that you could be already looking out for. So what are we having right now with Ethereum? I have been warning every one of you guys about this already, since this structure on Ethereum is looking so goddamn good here. Since, of course, what you can see right now here is that we create a W formation, we created a W shape over here, like you can see over here, double bottom, and we have I've literally longed the $1,700 twice. Unfortunately, I already closed my trades here, $2,100, and this one also around to $2,000. So yeah, I mean, I run these trades twice towards the upside, and right now, of course, we saw a beautiful W formation getting formed there, and after, of course, breaking the neckline, we can see that, of course, literally a few hours ago, 1 day ago approximately, a few 4-hourly candles ago, we were seeing a perfect retest here of this W formation. This W formation, after that, of course, right away bounced back towards the upside. And right now we can see Ethereum once again trading on the $2,600, and tomorrow it's delayed and 1 day here, guys, because it's on a certain amount of block that will be coming out here. The EP 1559 is coming out for Ethereum, what means the London hard fork update is coming out, and like we have been expecting already since we were trading on the $1,700, there will come a hype run up for Ethereum, and that's exactly what we are seeing right now here. We're seeing people getting excited about Ethereum, and that's the reason why the prices are rising faster than Bitcoin is currently doing so. So yeah, looking forward towards where Ethereum is heading towards. I've been already doing an expectation that I think Ethereum can be sitting around to $3,000 by the end of this week here. It can be, of course, that's maybe a little bit of a hectic prediction I made, but I made that prediction last week here. But since then, of course, we rise very significantly already. I think $3,000 is maybe a little bit too high here, but since if we're looking to the price target of this W formation, you can clearly see that if we are looking and measuring this target, it's of course 3.1k approximately. So I do think that maybe not will be in the end of this week here, but the end of the day here, we're going to see this $3,000 getting reached here. And I've been already saying to every single one of you guys that I've been accumulating the most amount of Ethereum, more Ethereum than Bitcoin, and yeah, it's doing pretty well right now, my investment. So W formation retesting right now, moving up higher as well. If we're going to discuss the 1-hourly candles, we can see something very interesting right now playing out here. It's a symmetrical triangle here. You can see the lower side of support moving up ever so slightly here. Several touch points, of course, 3, 4, 5, 6 touch points already here on the lower side. As well, the top side right now, we are literally trading against it. If you're connecting these body candles, so you can see 1, 2, and right now the third one is coming in here. Of course, 10 more minutes till we're going to either break through it or, of course, get rejected by it. We are once again retesting this level. So looking forward towards how this will be reacting here. Are we going to see a breakthrough right away here, or are we going to see a rejection? That's the question of today right now. So yeah, really depending on how we're going to close this next 1 hourly candle, you guys will be already seeing it, since of course once the video is live, I do expect this candle is just about to get closed here. So yeah, it will be amazing if you are going to do your own analysis on it as well here. And of course, if you want to be staying up to date about all these Ethereum and Bitcoin updates, just hit that follow button here on my Twitter page at Rover CRC. So yeah, looking forward towards how Ethereum is going to react for it. Are we right away going to see a breakthrough of this 1 hourly downwards level resist line? It looks to be on the exact time of recording that we are not going to get a breakthrough, of course. Maybe it will be taking another 1 hourly candle, or maybe after that another one, but we have to wait and see how this will be reacting. So guys, this was already it for today. A very short update video here, but still it would be truly amazing if you're going to smash up the like button and of course subscribe to the channel, since we're already very close with reaching the 52.5k subscribers. So guys, thank you so much for once again tuning in to this amazing video, and we'll check you guys in the next one. Peace out.